Having said this, you may wonder how to use these drawing tools in real technical analysis. Let's take a look at 4 common skills. 1. Trend lines. The trend line is a simple and common line type for beginners and pros alike. A trend line helps determine the current stock price trends and identifies the support and resistance levels as the price moves up and down. So, how to draw a trend line? Let's see a theoretical example. Here we can see a downtrend in the stock price. Let's draw a trend line to better observe how it changes. A trend line connecting highs can be considered a resistance, while a line connecting swing lows can be seen as a support. If the price breaks above the resistance with momentum, the price may continue to rise. If it breaks below the support, the price may continue to fall. The 2 trend lines we draw form a channel within which the price moves. They are known as the channel lines. The trend persists when the price remains within the channel. But when the price breaks above the upper channel line or breaks below the lower trend line, it may indicate a potential shift in the trend. In a descending channel, if the price breaks through the upper trend line, it may indicate a bullish reversal, and you can consider adjusting your investment strategy. To draw a channel line nice and quick, simply use the channel line tool and anchor 3 key price points. Remember, the more price points you anchor, the more reliable the line is. Join Moomoo Learn to gain more investing know-how.